Hello everyone, welcome to trick number 9 of how to start a speech. So today we have a very interesting way to start your speech, and that is start your speech with a prop. Prop is nothing but any item which you use, to just draw the attention of the audience. So I am the author of Speak Out Club. So here, I start with the gist of my book. So this is the story about my transformational journey, as in how I was a shy kid, and from there, how I transformed into a brilliant speaker. Today, impacted 10,000 people and creating speakers. I am the founder of Speak Out Club. So I just give a gist of my story, and that's how I start my speech. I also sometimes use this Women Entrepreneur India magazine, right? My name was published here on the last June edition. So yeah, you can see this. So generally I use this to start off my speech. So there's a book called The Contract by Derek Jeter. Okay, so that's a very interesting way to start your speech. In that book he writes that he always makes his son write a one-page contract. Okay, every year, like I will be polite to my dad, I will be, attending the baseball practice every day, and I will be going to the church every week, right? So every year he used to make him write one-page contract. So if you notice at that, this is nothing but eventually goal setting, okay? So that this is how his dad has trained him to, write down the goals every time. So that was named as a contract, right? So that's also a very interesting way to start off if you are talking about goal setting, right? Yeah, another way can be you can just show a IPL ticket, while you're speaking, and then you can start it off. And there are another props like the other video I talked about, the Starbucks coffee cup, right? Suppose if you're talking about branding, then why is Starbucks charging more, right? So you can start off with a coffee mug, you can start off with that coffee cup, right? So these were some interesting tricks about starting with a prop. And then stay tuned for the last video number 10 of how to start your speech.